Did you understand? You're charged with the offense of credit card, credit or debit card abuse as a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand? You're gonna need to speak up.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We are, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
But the court just followed the agreement that we have with the state.
All right, why are you stealing?
It was in a bad spot at the time.
No, I mean, I don't understand why when people think they're in the bad stop, the go-to is let me steal from somebody else who's been working hard. So why are you doing it? And what bad spot are you talking about you're in?
Wasn't doing it, it was one time.
No, I mean, one time is too many. So what bad spot were you in? Because you're employed. So what bad spot were you in that you would take somebody else's credit card and use it?
I just started working, I needed Pampers.
So, I mean, see, that is zero excuse. Let me tell you why. Because there are plenty of places that will give you free Pampers. And guess what? I don't know why people are stuck on this Pampers thing, because if you can't afford Pampers, you know what you do? You use cloth. Pampers is just something that's been brought in new to existence for convenience. But back in the day, people would use cloth diapers. You get cloth diapers, and guess what you do? You wash them, and they can be used again. So, again, what were you buying at Walmart?
Gift card, I didn't want to keep using the card.
So you use their bank card to buy a gift card for yourself to use.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so you didn't want to keep using their card because you didn't want to get caught.
Yes, ma'am.
So don't act as though you were doing them a favor by, oh, I'm going to Walmart to purchase a gift card. Anything you want to say for your client?
We are, due to the nature of the circumstances, we are asking this court to defer the finding of guilt and give him the opportunity. He's remorseful about his actions. It was a one-time occasion. He's not a convicted felon. So therefore, we're asking this court to give him that one opportunity to keep up the felony conviction, be a better parent, better husband.
All right, I know he's saying it was a one-time thing, but according to the police report, they're not saying it's a one-time thing. Because it states the credit card companies contacted him and his wife regarding suspicious charges. There's an S on that. So that means there was more than one charge. Otherwise, they would have said regarding a suspicious charge.
I understand that, Your Honor, but I mean, police reports at this moment, the only thing that was mentioned was the $501 that Walmart tried to say. There wasn't anything else alleged.
Well, there's a situation where he tried to use the card for $100. That's what's in the police report. So you have the $500 Walmart, and then you have another $100. How many times were you trying to use their cards? Or how many times did you use their card?
I only used the card one time.
It says, Mr. Vincent advised the complainant that on August 7th, a $100 charge was attempted at the Walmart with the Bank of America card. And then the second and third attempts were at the same location at approximately 6:45 a.m. and 6:46 a.m. The second charge was $504 with an American Express card. And then there was a third attempt for $204. So there are three.
Well, Judge, we're still asking this court to follow the state's agreement at this point. Like I said, my client is remorseful of his actions. He's not intending on doing so again. He's not a convicted felon and would like to keep that a felony conviction off his record, to be a good father, get secure employment, and be able to provide for his family.
How many children do you have?
4.
I'm sorry?
4.
What are their ages?
11, 7, and 2 1-year-olds.
And who do you live with?
My fiance.
Is this your fiance? You put a ring on her finger, y'all are gonna get married? Or is this somebody you just live with for a while and y'all decide to say she's the fiance?
No, ma'am, I've been with her for 6 years. I put a ring on the finger.
All right. And what does she do for a living?
Right now she works from home.
Doing what?
I don't know. She just got the job when I got locked up. I think it's for AT&T.
And how far did you go in school?
Now
How far did you go in school?
we have associates
Associates in what?
business.
And what have you been doing with your associate's degree?
Well, I just moved to Louisiana. My uncle was gonna help me open a business for myself.
All right, so are you in Louisiana or are you in Bear County?
I just moved to Louisiana in December.
Oh, so is he going to be living in Louisiana?
We are gonna be asking probation. I explained to him that it can be transferred, but it has to be through the probation department. He first needs to check in here, and then probation arranges for that to happen and be able to move to whichever parish that he's gonna be living in Louisiana.
All right, and your fiance is in Louisiana?
It's from
What parish?
St. Samuel.
All right, this is what the court is going to do, is a $500 fine. The court is going to sentence you to 4 years deferred adjudication. All right, we can go off the record. Stealing is never the answer. You understand?
It's from
There's a lot of free places, at least in Bear County, where you can get diapers, you can get on WIC, you can get help with food. They have all these pantries available. So that's not the answer. Now, let me just tell you, with this offense, whether you're on deferred or not, it's considered a crime of moral turpitude. So what that means is your business degree, maybe you'll be able to do something with that, maybe not. Your attorney can explain to you all of the collateral consequences from pleading, and I know he probably did already explain to you the collateral consequences from pleading to any crimes that are considered crimes of moral turpitude. You understand? All right, good luck to you. Thank you,
Thank
counsel.
you, Judge.
You are gonna pay it, so,
I am.
well, here, this is what it is. No, I'm not going to.
Yes. Okay, and let me just tell you, I was just telling them the other day that with that, you can actually use it to shampoo your hair. And so I always wanted to grow that. And the liquid that comes out of it, it's great for shampooing hair and also for doing laundry. And I learned that from watching a documentary.
Another thing about ginger.
Mhm.
It really is good for nausea, including morning
Yes.
sickness, and does not cause, birth defects. And the other-
Yes.
So many other things have.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's great.
But
stuff.
yeah, I was telling the deputies, I want to grow that because I saw, there's one lady that I watch, she forages.
I've
And
wanted
so
to.
she was in Hawaii and she said she took that and she uses that to shampoo her hair.
It's cool. If you do grow it, it needs to be in part shade. I've been trying to plant some, but it's on my list of things to do for the back.
Oh, I want that. I want the birds of paradise. Somebody just told me the black dahlia, that's beautiful. So I just want a bunch of plants and hopefully they will grow. So,
Good luck.
all right, thanks.
Thanks.